Hello, what's up, guys? I am going to show you one combo or three of combo on Atomic Samurai that I just learned today. I don't know why I'm talking slow, but yeah. The first one that I want to show you and the first combo that I ever learned on Atomic Samurai, which is, gosh dang it, man. I did the incredible fail, so this time I am going to do a random thing that I do not like. Anyway, let's go. Wasn't supposed to happen. Let's cut that out again. Let's cut that out. Let's do it again. Oh, let's do this again. 1, 2, 3. Which I did wrong, but if you do make it perfect like that, Graham once in down slam. Used a pinpoint cut, but it still didn't die. Dash into it and just do M once until it dies. This is the second one, which evolves the second ability. Number. I'm just gonna explain it while I do it. 1, 2, 3. That reloads fast. But this time it won't reload it fast. So yeah, let's do this. But if it does kind of happen, it will load instantly. All you do it, try aiming it perfectly and then using it. Okay, 1, 2, 3. You might have to remember this one. It's not that hard. 1, 2, 3. Maybe I'll cut that out now. Never mind. I'll do it again until I do it. Let's see what this guy is talking about now. I'm a wretched echo. Wretched? Maybe. Echo of what I once was, forever lost in the, what is it? The past? I don't know. Let's do it again. second two M1s, and then he's finished. That's how much. But this time it requires a bullet. And yeah, it's kind of like 1, 2, 3, yeah. To time it perfectly. I'll do the pinpoint cut and dash. Yeah, pinpoint cut and dash. 3 M1s. Quick slice. Oh, quick slice dash 3 M1s at most cleaver. Yeah, that one. Okay. Which I did not do perfectly. I wanted to do, but I messed up. For some reason I like that combo, but I'll do the exact same thing with pinpoint cut, dash, and then blah blah blah. But I'm gonna use quick slice instead of me using the Atmos cleaver. You can pick you want to use Atmos cleaver first, or the second, or quick slice. Okay. God damn it, I forgot. But if you do this while it's reload, do it like this, do it like this. If it doesn't reload, I'll do the normal one, okay. You have to do a different approach, but you know what, I'm gonna do the camera. I'll do the pinpoint cut like this. Instead of doing the pinpoint cut first, replay this video again if you want some advice, and maybe I'll do every one the 1, 2, 3 combos for first try, and let's see if I can do it. For the first one, of course, the same thing. The down slam, he's gonna be dead already. And then the second one, which is which I use the second ability, of course. And let's do it. For the third ability, the trickiest one, or the most the only thing I do with this I mean, you could use the ability first, or you wanna use extra damage. Just do what I do. Okay, let's do this. I'm gonna use the ability first, and when I'm done with the ability and the combo, of course, I'll go for the dash 3 once down, or I could try dash 4 once. Wait a second, and then what is it? Pinpoint cut. Maybe. Okay, let's 1, 2, 3, go. I don't know, man. I'll just do this. Damn it. But anyways, after you do pinpoint cut, side dash. I'll do the same thing. But I'll do the Atmos Cleaver first, or the second ability. I messed up, I'll do it again. Cause why not? Why not? Anyways, I do not want to do any cringe videos because I know I'm gonna get targeted a lot of people. He uses a purple cat. And there's one that I forgot, but it's a picture of a dog. Yes, a picture of a dog. I do respect them because some cringe videos are getting a little bit overboard because never mind. Let's do it again. 1, 2, 3. Sorry for the cut, but then what? I messed it up anyways. Which I did. Goku. He is weak to One Punch Man, and the One Punch Man fans knows that One Punch Man one-shot Goku, but I won't start a debate and I won't get roasted by Goku fans, which says that Goku can one-shot Saitama. And I support 2 of them. To be honest, I think Saitama is going to win, but I won't start a war, a conversation, or anything. Let's just do this. Time to do that one again, baby. Okay. Let's do this, but no, I'm gonna use quick slice. Let's do this. because it doesn't take that long, then you should do it. Okay, this time I'm gonna use the same thing, the third ability, but I'm gonna use dash, 3M1s, and then down slam, or dash, 4M1s, pinpoint. Yeah, I think I'm gonna do the 4M1s. 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 1, 1, 2, 3, go. Side dash. Perfect. Maybe not perfect, but just for safety measures, or just because I want some sub from you guys, which I do not get a lot, only one. I'll just do it again. 1, 2, 3, let's go, baby. Why am I not starting to do the combo? Because I'm just getting warmed up, 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 up. Because I did not use the pinpoint gun, that just reload. But anyways, let's do this again. But this time I'm gonna use Atmos. Wait, yeah, I'm gonna use Atmos Cleaver. The first one, right here. The third ability, the second ability, and the first ability. 1, 2, 3, let's do this. Side dash, 3 Yay, I did it! Now I can actually end the video. Yeah, maybe, just maybe so. But anyways, guys, that's just all of my videos. I'm just gonna do this for safety measures. Maybe. I already did it. Why did I say maybe? Anyways, that's all for today. Enjoy. Please leave a sub or any likes. It's my goal to reach 100k, even though nobody knows me at all. But if you do enjoy this, please sub. I really need it. I'm from Malaysia too, so don't get me confused, man. But anyways, see y'all in the next video, which will come out year or months or days. I don't post that much because there's not a lot of people except my cousin, which is sub to me. But anyways, let's end the video, and maybe I'll end the video with a combo, which I'm just gonna make up. I'm gonna use the second ability, of course, and of course I'm gonna turn on shift lock. Who doesn't, man? Who doesn't turn on shift lock? But anyways, this is the last combo before I end the video off. Okay, the first thing. Which which give you an opportunity to use your M1s, or it's just one shots. Before you try to do it, I'll confirm it by just doing it. I guess. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. Or 4 M1s like that. Aside. Some M1s. So the first thing I said, or the first myth I said, which gives the enemy is true instead of one-shotting them. But anyways, maybe I'll not. Maybe I'll not. Maybe. Just maybe. Don't close your eyes. Close your eyes, please. Please close your eyes. Okay. Anyways, that's all for today. Already said that like 3 times. But anyway, see y'all in the next video if I want to post it. And bye bye. I hope to see y'all again.